Question by Councillor Watson to the Cabinet Member for Children. Councillor Kendrick.
Thank you, Madam Mayor. Again, it's following the same theme, just to keep this topic of conversation going. Could I possibly trouble you to tell us what the weekly cost of a Kirklees foster child is with a Kirklees carer, and the cost of placing a child with an agency or an out-of-area carer?
Thank you. Councillor Kendrick.
Thank you. The fees do depend on the age of a child and also what presenting needs a child may have. And there are other factors that affect the cost of a Kirklees foster placement because, of course, it's about the staff that we use in terms of setting up those placements, carer recruitment, staff accommodation and so on. The agency fee, however, is inclusive of their profit margin and other costs, but they do make other costs to the council because where a child is placed out of Kirklees, the social worker and the reviewing officer still have to visit, so regardless of where they are. So here it gets complicated. The average weekly cost for 2018-19 in Kirklees fostering £366. That's the average weekly cost, and that excludes any operational costs or overheads. If you do that same figure in Kirklees fostering, including operational costs and overheads, it's £605 on average. For an agency, it is £746, and if you include operational costs and overheads, because we have to do those visits out of area, it's £780.